Hi there, BTs. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below, like this video, and comment. Right? Today I'm coming with another Shein haul. It is very small. I'm sure you can tell by the time that this is small, baby. So I did the thing of going with friends to Shein and like buy together. So Mina, I bought 2 dresses, one pair of gloves, and some glasses, right? Yeah, that's all I bought. So in today's video, I want to show you guys that. I want to show you these dresses are literally born. They are so damn cute. Okay, let me not say a lot. Dress number 1 is this beautiful dress. It is so cute. Tell me that. And I bought it for 150 or something. I'll put the prices just here, or like the picture of the dress here, right? So I bought this dress. It is long. It's not long. It's not maxi, but like it's midi. It is so cute. The quality, and it looks so luxurious when you're wearing it. And yeah, you guys, listen, it's giving Sukuma Mkami Bakbone. Sukuma Mkami Bakbone. It is giving umamazala ati hayi ngeke lo akakwazi ukusa umlilo usebenzise sentini. Yeah? Usebenzise sentini lona bona. This dress is cute. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is the cutest dress I've ever worn in my entire existence. Like, say no more. Look at it. This is the most beautiful dress. The bum is bumming. The body is being hugged in the right places. Tell me you don't see. So let me see. Let's get right to the next one. Okay, second one, it's also a very beautiful dress. It's this open back dress, also from Shein. Obviously, it is hell long. This one is long, you guys. It is very, very long. The lighting is changing. It is very long, and the quality of it is beautiful. It is not see-through, and it's not lined. This one is lined, by the way. It is lined. Guys, this dress looks luxurious. I don't want to lie. I don't want to. Okay. This dress, it is maxi. This one, it goes all the way to your feet, and yeah, let's try it on. Listen, ngicela ukuthi maningibona ningibize iqanda laka Grootman, intombi ka Grootman. Listen, look at this dress. Aibo picnic. Aibo, let's go home and see them for the first time. Aibo, this is a makoti that stays in Gauteng. Aibo, this is a makoti that doesn't touch the pots. I'm telling you, this is beautiful, you guys. Get yourself this dress, and I don't know, man. I'm not tea, but nan niyazibonela, man. Niyazibonela. Last but not least, let me not waste time. I got this UV light glasses, which I don't think they look good on me, but they do the job. So they become a little bit dark when you go outside. Inside they look like this. And yeah, maybe it's because of the light that's coming throughout the window. That's why they are a bit darkish. However, yeah, these are the glasses that I got from Shein. Tell me, Uguti, this is not a whole outfit. I'm not a model that they're looking for. Yeah, a Shein. Huh? Tell me, Uguti, I'm not the girl that's supposed to track. Hmm? I love this dress so much. I love it. I'm just not sure where am I gonna wear this dress to, because this dress me, you're supposed to wear this dress or so like what are you saying? What are you saying? So yeah, that will be the end of my small Nyana haul. Hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed filming this one. I man, you're not saying hi bo, hey ni mama, hi bo, hi bo. Okay, thank you so much for watching until this far. I really do appreciate you guys. We are growing. We are almost at 800. Slowly but surely, we are getting there. Tell your friends to tell their friends that there's Betty on YouTube. And if they love fashion, that will be a plus. And yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. And click the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Just comment with a heart. This is a very small video. I'm sure you watched until this far. If you watched until this far, just comment with a heart, and or you can just tell me which item or which dress is the best, or which dress would you buy and wear out, right? So yeah, I don't think this dress is for everyone. It's got an open back, and like it's very body hugging. But the other one, it's body hugging as well, but it's got layers. So I believe if like you have a little bit of a fupa, then you can gravitate to that one because it's got layers. So without wrangling and wah wah wah. Thank you so much. Love you. Peace out.